Hey guys, and welcome back to a brand new video. Today, the giveaway winner was already announced. I just didn't get any of it on footage, but this is the giveaway winner. Who wants the giveaway? Oh, wait, I'm just asking them to show you guys. Yes. Okay, guys, they were the giveaway winner. I did not do anything to rig it. Just my computer has issues and restarts every day. My brother even just like hacked. Anyways, next giveaway is at 60 subscribers. All you have to do is like and subscribe. And then when we get to 60, I'm going to be recording. And I'm considering which pet should I give away. But we're going to be doing a giveaway. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. And please do not unsubscribe, otherwise the next giveaway will never exist. Okay, bye.